Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to split audio in Audacity. To start, open Audacity and load your audio file. Let's say you want to split this audio into separate sections. First, click on the selection tool at the top, which looks like an I-beam cursor. Now, find the point in the audio where you want to split it. Click on that spot with the selection tool. Once you've selected your split point, you just need to use a simple keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl+I if you're on Windows or Command+I if you're on a Mac. You'll notice that the audio is now split at the point where you clicked. You can do this as many times as needed to separate different sections of your audio file. Now that the audio is split, you can drag and drop your split part anywhere you like. You can click and drag the split audio segments to move them around on the timeline. This is useful for repositioning parts of your audio if you want to rearrange the order or add space between sections. If you need to remove any part of the audio you don't want, simply select that portion and press the delete key on your keyboard. This will remove the unwanted audio, and you can then adjust the remaining parts. Remember, splitting audio is a helpful way to gain more control over your edits. You can easily shift sections, delete parts you don't need, and even add effects to specific parts of the split audio. That's how you split audio in Audacity. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.